My topic is marketing analytics and measurement and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Marketing analytics and measurement refers to the practice of using data and analytical techniques to evaluate and measure the effectiveness and impact of marketing initiatives. It involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data from various marketing channels and campaigns to gain insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and overall marketing return on investment, ROI. The goal is to make data-driven decisions and optimize marketing strategies to achieve better outcomes. Here are some key aspects of marketing analytics and measurement. Data collection. This involves gathering data from multiple sources such as websites, social media platforms, email marketing tools, customer relationship management, CRM, systems, and more. Data can include customer demographics, purchase history, website interactions, campaign engagement metrics, and other relevant information. Key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs are metrics that help measure the success of marketing efforts. They can include conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, CAC, customer lifetime value, CLTV, click-through rates, CENTER, return on ad spend, ROAS, and other specific metrics aligned with business objectives. Data analysis. Analyzing marketing data involves using statistical techniques, data mining, and machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and correlations within the data. This helps uncover insights about customer preferences, campaign performance, audience segmentation, and other factors that influence marketing success. Attribution modeling. Attribution modeling aims to allocate credit to different marketing channels or touchpoints for driving desired outcomes, such as conversions or sales. It helps determine which channels are most effective in the customer journey and informs budget allocation decisions. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics leverages historical data and statistical models to forecast future outcomes, such as customer churn, sales revenue, or campaign performance. It enables marketers to make proactive decisions and optimize marketing strategies. Reporting and visualization. Communicating insights effectively is crucial in marketing analytics. Creating visually appealing and easy-to-understand reports and dashboards helps stakeholders understand the data, track progress, and make informed decisions. A/B testing. A/B testing involves conducting controlled experiments to compare different marketing strategies or variations of campaigns. It helps identify the most effective approaches by measuring the impact of specific changes on customer behavior and outcomes. Continuous optimization. Marketing analytics is an iterative process. By continuously monitoring and analyzing data, marketers can identify areas for improvement, refine their strategies, and achieve better results over time. By leveraging marketing analytics and measurement, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, optimize marketing efforts, and allocate resources more efficiently. It helps in identifying effective channels, improving campaign targeting, and maximizing ROI, ultimately driving business growth. Marketing analytics and measurement refer to the process of collecting and analyzing data to evaluate the effectiveness and efficiency of marketing initiatives. It involves using various tools and techniques to track, measure, and interpret marketing performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize future marketing efforts. Here are some key aspects of marketing analytics and measurement. Data collection. Marketing data can be collected from various sources such as websites, social media platforms, customer relationship management, CRM, systems, email marketing tools, and advertising platforms. It includes data on customer behavior, demographics, interactions, conversions, and more. Key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs are specific metrics used to assess the success of marketing campaigns. They vary depending on the goals and objectives of the marketing initiatives. Common KPIs include website traffic, conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, CAC, customer lifetime value, CLV, return on investment, ROI, and social media engagement. Data analysis. Once the data is collected, it needs to be analyzed to gain insights into marketing performance. Various analytical techniques can be applied, such as segmentation, regression analysis, correlation analysis, and predictive modeling. The goal is to identify patterns, trends, and relationships within the data. Attribution modeling. Attribution modeling is used to determine the contribution of each marketing channel or touchpoint in driving conversions or desired actions. It helps allocate marketing budget effectively by identifying the most effective channels and optimizing the marketing mix. A/B testing. A/B testing involves comparing two or more versions of a marketing asset, for example, website landing page, email subject line, ad copy, to determine which performs better. It helps identify the elements that resonate with the target audience and drive better results. Marketing dashboards and reports. Marketing dashboards provide real-time or regular updates on key marketing metrics and performance indicators. They offer a visual representation of data and enable marketers to monitor progress, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Reports provide comprehensive analysis and insights into marketing campaigns and help in strategic planning. Return on investment, ROI, analysis. ROI analysis measures the profitability of marketing efforts by comparing the cost of marketing activities to the generated revenue or other desired outcomes. It helps assess the financial impact of marketing initiatives and allocate resources efficiently. Continuous improvement. Marketing analytics and measurement are iterative processes. The insights gained from data analysis and measurement should be used to improve future marketing strategies and tactics. By monitoring performance and making data-driven adjustments, marketers can optimize their campaigns and achieve better results over time. Data collection. Gathering relevant data from various sources is crucial for marketing analytics. This data can come from multiple channels, such as websites, social media platforms, email campaigns, customer surveys, CRM systems, and more. Key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs are metrics used to evaluate the performance of marketing activities. They vary depending on the marketing goals and objectives. Common marketing KPIs include customer acquisition cost, CAC, customer lifetime value, CLV, return on investment, ROI, conversion rates, click-through rates, center, engagement metrics, and revenue attribution. Marketing mix modeling. Marketing mix modeling, MMM, is a statistical analysis technique that helps understand the impact of various marketing inputs, such as advertising, promotions, pricing, and distribution, on sales or other desired outcomes. It helps allocate marketing resources effectively and optimize the marketing mix. Attribution modeling. Attribution modeling attributes the impact of marketing touchpoints to conversions or sales. It helps identify which marketing channels or campaigns are driving customer actions. Common attribution models include first touch, last touch, linear, time decay, and algorithmic attribution. Segmentation and targeting. Analyzing customer data and segmenting the target audience is a crucial step in marketing analytics. By understanding customer demographics, behaviors, preferences, and purchase patterns, marketers can tailor their strategies and messages to specific segments for better results. A/B testing. A/B testing involves creating two or more versions, A and B, of a marketing element, for example, website design, ad copy, email subject line, and testing them against each other to determine which performs better. It helps optimize marketing campaigns and improve conversion rates. Data visualization and reporting. Data visualization tools, such as dashboards and reports, help marketers present complex data in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand manner. Visual representations enable stakeholders to quickly grasp key insights and trends. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics leverages historical data and statistical models to make predictions about future marketing outcomes. It enables marketers to anticipate customer behavior, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize marketing strategies. Overall, marketing analytics and measurement enable businesses to gain valuable insights, track performance, optimize marketing strategies, and allocate resources effectively. By leveraging data and analytics, marketers can make informed decisions and drive better results. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.